Hi, it's me, saminzee, with your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. Here is today's tutorial. We are making today an elegant pair of earrings with pearls and silver crystal beads. Very elegant but very simple and easy and quick to make project. I hope you would like it. First of all, we have to make with ball head pins some loops. We will add these ball head pins loops to silver crystal beads 4 mm. For one piece of earring we will make 10 looped beads and total 20 looped beads will be used for pair of earrings. So we have started. We are making with nose pliers help. We are using ball head pins for making these loops to silver 4 mm beads. One by one we have to make 20 beads for pair of earrings. So we have made these looped beads. We have prepared these beads with loops. Now the next step is we will add one eye pin to our looped 10 mm pearl. This pearl has already a loop with it, and now we are adding one eye pin to its loop. We opened eye pin's loop and with nose plier, and we are adding it to pearl 10 mm pearl. Now the next step is to add 10 silver beads, 4 mm crystal beads, which are looped. Now we are adding these beads with loops. 10 loops beads will be added here to eye pin's wire. One by one we are adding. Very simple, very easy project. And now we have added 10 silver beads with loops. Here we will add one pearl 6 mm. Here we added 6 mm pearl. And now the next step is we bent this wire, and now we have to cut it. Extra piece we will cut here, and now we will make a loop with help of nose plier. We will make a loop here. We are making this loop for ear wire. So in this loop we will enter ear wire. We have open ear wires loop. Now we will enter it to our eye pin's loop, and now we have to close it with nose plier, and in this way an elegant pair of earrings is ready. Very easy, very elegant. I hope you would like the color combinations silver and white. Very elegant look. Here are the final looks of today's project, today's tutorials earrings, and I hope you would like it, and you must try. Very easy. lightweight earrings but very elegant. So don't forget to subscribe your channel EasySaminJewelery. I bring all my tutorials for my lovely viewers with love, with my passion for jewelry making, and I hope you like all the projects. I upload short videos, YouTube shorts also from my channel. So do watch these clips, short videos which I made for you. Don't skip these videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe EasySaminJewelery. I will say bye now. Take care of yourself. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.